Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Design Studio. My name is Yannick Edaye. I'm a US UI designer and an instructional designer. So today I want to talk about Adobe Creative Suite, especially Adobe XD. So Adobe is a leader of design since 15 years like that, and you have a lot of applications you can use to create design, to create graphic, and create great things. So you can have all the app for $19.99 a month if you're a student or teacher, or you can have all the app for $52.99 a month if you are a private or a freelancer that wanna use it for your application. So when you buy it, you have all the application you can download and use it in the cloud. Adobe XD have a cloud with a storage online. You can use your application anywhere. So today we're going to talk about Adobe XD. So Adobe XD is the application that help you to create prototype, to create UI interfaces for your application. In case you have a customer that asks you to create a website, you have to create a prototype to show how the website will look like and get agree with the customer before get moving to the code. So let me show you an example of prototype. This is an example of mobile application to share bike travel. So you have a landing page, and after you have a sign up page, and I can simulate the sign in, or I can simulate the sign up. I can show you how to navigate into the app and what the app will look like at the end of the the implementation. So this is what Adobe XD allow you to do, and this is really great. That's what we'll use in our next video. So in the next video, I will show you the interface, what kind of tool you have and how you can use it, and what is the purpose of the different tool in the interfaces. So thanks for watching this video. If you like design, I ask you to subscribe and push the bell button to have the notification as soon as there is new video in this channel. Thanks you very much and see you to the next video.